Hello, buddy. How's it going, bros? I'm back with some more Binding of Isaac, and today, I think we want to play as Isaac. Now, there's a couple check marks there, but I actually didn't play this character. I played co-op, but my friend was this character, and if you don't know this, if you play co-op Isaac, you will still get unlocks no matter how much your friend does. So, for example, if this is because I think this time I was tainted Judas and he was tainted Isaac. So we got to the dark room and he died on the way to the dark room. But because he's still there, even though he didn't really contribute much, it still got unlocks for him. So also I don't know much about this character and haven't played him, except I do know one thing. Like I do know his gimmick. But I haven't played him, and I'm kind of interested to see how it goes. So, without further ado, let's play some Tainted Isaac. Alright, so we got our little bar here. I know we can only carry, I don't know how many items. Okay. Well, that happened. That's fine, that's all good. Oh yeah, and this happened. I'd rather take them, I think. He is always to have. And a troll bomb. Really? You think you want to get me with that shit? Okay. Still has base damage, I noticed. His tier rate's not too bad. Alright. Nice coin here. Coin's up. Nice and welcomed. Can we blow him up right here? Come here. There we are. I want that bomb, that's why. We're gonna bomb those spiders real quick. Grab this trinket. Oh god. No. Luckily I'm speed. Ooh, speedy little Isaac right here. Speedy little Isaac. Look at him go. Small, speedy Isaac. Get out of here. Alright. I kind of want to open that chest. I think I might use a bomb. We do have 3 after all. So it wouldn't be that much. Oh shit. Forgot about that. Don't you do that. What do God, you do that? I'm gonna attack the head. This damage. It also, I think, is a spider. I got hit there. Whatever. I'm gonna blow this up. I want first off money. Which didn't give me any. It gave me goddamn spiders. Which okay, I guess. Ooh, there's an item in here somewhere. What item is Vasculitis or Loki? Well, I'm not a big Vasculitis fan. I'm, in fact, the opposite of Vasculitis fan. I don't like it how it spews into... Whenever I kill enemies, they spew into tears because it's confusing to track. But I feel like Vasculitis is good. It's just that you gotta make sure that... You gotta understand which tiers are yours and which... That's the only problem I Vasculitis. But I'm gonna take a Loki this second. Because... Can Loki get me, what is it, conjoined? I feel like it can't. Grab this. We just need one more, I think, and then get conjoined. Thank God. Vasculitis! Or sorry. Not Vasculitis, I meant... Not Vasculitis, god damn it. I forget what it's called. I kind of want it, though. But there's also damage up. I'm gonna take... Hamolacria, that's what it's called. Hamolacria is also really good. Lob shot. Lob slob. Devil Man from TF2. This Hamolacria is really good if you synergize it properly. Like, Cricket's head is really good with it. Brimstone is amazing with this. I've had a run where I had that synergy. I will play it on screen right now. I'm just gonna say it's kind of broken.
of damage.
I think his name is Mega Regman. Oh no, Regman Mega. Okay, okay. Look at that. Oh, we didn't get it. More damage up? Or do we want Q rate up? Our damage is pretty good, but I wouldn't mind some more. I'm pretty sure every other character has like explosivo shots, which I want to get rid of here. I kind of want to keep my familiars. I think we'll get rid of range up here. Give me this. I'll get some of my luck as well. Oh, whatever. Oh no, is that gonna blow up into more? No, okay. That'd be worse. I thought it'd be much worse. It would like blow up, like it would lob onto someone, and it would just blow up into even more of the. Insane. My only problem with this is Crybaby. Now we get to see. Wait, does that count toward? I don't think it does. No, it doesn't. Oh no, it's blind tears. Wait, no, I grabbed the wrong one. I want to grab Dry Baby. God damn it. Okay. Loki. Dead. Ah. Oh. Alright, now we gotta juggle. See what's in here. Okay, I'm definitely grabbing. Oh. We're gonna get rid of this. Yes! Homing shots and damage up. Okay. Yeah, we don't need the. Do we need range? No, our range is fine. We're not getting rid of that. Maybe the familiars we can get rid of. Can I like grab this and then like return it? Give my HP and then give back? I can! Okay. It's interesting. Alright, our run is good now. We have homing shots and damage up. We do 25 damage! Quite insane. I don't know why. I had a feeling we were gonna get this, but I don't know. I just had a feeling. Oh, the freaking the splash tier effects also hold. That's sick. That dude, that's so good. Dude, look at that. And they also have Explosivo. This is good. This is really good. What can I probably do with this? What 16. I could maybe do a boss rush if I want to. Or should I go for Bosch? I've already done Dark Room with Team. So I think we might go. I don't know. Technology. I'm not grabbing Puking Buddy, but I want to see what technology. I'm just curious. I'll grab it back though. Oh! They splash into. That's sick. If I get rid of this, but the Q rate's so slow. Is that because I picked that up? It is. Okay. No thanks, technology. I'm good. I'm okay. Oh, that's so good. I might consider getting rid of a damage up because we have a lot of damage already. So really the. That damn. Fuck. You stupid. Fat mom. Get out of here. You're fat. You're ugly. Nice wrinkles. Old person. I hope my mom doesn't hear this shit. Just hears me talking smack about her. Okay, we did Dark Rim, so we'll do or we'll do chest. Oh, ooh, duality. What does duality do again? I always forget that one. Curious, how will this work? You feel very balanced. Yeah, I know it gives you either that, but if I get rid of it, gone. I think I'm actually not gonna get that. I'm gonna ditch it. Oh, Skolex. Oh, Skolex, my least favorite boss in this game. I don't like you. You know that. Don't you love having to wait for an open spot to hit? Oh, here we go. My Skolex. I don't know, shitty light. I don't want. Actually, I'll take that health and get rid of it. That. Alright, I can do that. I don't know if that works with just like permanent HP. Because that's Bone Hearts. Bone Hearts aren't permanent. Oh wait, it lives already? What did we fight? Oh wait, it was Skolex. Forgot it was it. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. I think we're just gonna do chest and maybe a devil deal. Let's see what's here. Monster and Void. Void would be really good with this. I'm getting Void. Just consume everything I don't want. Do I want to do Hush? I don't know if I can take Hush. I'm not risking it. I just want to do... I might do Delirium if he decides to pop up after chest. Maybe Mega Satan if I get Dad's key. That was dumb. That's quite dumb. Fuck. Taking some bad hits here. Oh my god, bad hits after bad hits, man. Don't stop coming, they don't stop coming. Okay. Let's fight him. Go, Isaac, come on. What are you gonna do, Isaac? Holy shit, look how get obliterated! God, the explosivo shot's good. Alright, Curse of Unknown, I don't know my health. Oh, Proptosis? Okay, I don't want Bum Friend. Put you up like this. See how good this is. I feel like... No. I'm thinking Capricorn, all stats up. Yeah, I'll definitely take this. Damage up even more. I'm gonna actually get rid of some of my friends because they don't really do much. Get rid of this. Wait, more damage up. What do we want Proptosis? Such a bargain. I think I'll get rid of them and just suck them up. Actually, give me a sec. Let me try something like this. Got this. Do I get conjoined? I don't. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave them. I guess I'll keep acid. No, I'll get rid of acid baby for Proptosis maybe. They're like, it goes so small. That's like my only problem with it. I don't think I will get Proptosis. That is so good. Sook. Oh my god, look how fast I fire! The freaking shots! This is why I took Void. This is exactly why I took Void. Look how fast I fire! Void is so good with freaking Tainted Isaac. Look at this. Dude, look at that. It's so fast. It's just like, boom, boom. Look at that. Love it. I love it. Can you like stand still for a second there, Daylong Links, please? Oh yes, explode, yes! Oh, I just realized I can't even see my health. That's not that good. This, however, is no problem, considering homing shot and they split, and they also deal homing shot with the split. So, oh wow, thanks. I'm gonna do this. And if it's something I don't like, I avoid. Health I don't need. Oh wait, I can't even check if that restock. Oh, that kind of pisses me off how I can't take restock. Sackhead. Restock is useless since there's no more shops. Sook. More damage. Great. Like I don't do enough. 34 or 31. Sorry. Still a lot. Just lob a shot on Dingle there and just let nature take its course until he's just gone. I think we're ready. Bring it. Okay. Can we get some explosivo shots in this onto oh there's one. Come on, there's not one. Oh there we go. There we go. There we go. And now it happens. Goodbye! That was so good. Dude, big old lob shot, and then like they just stick and they explode. So good. Oh my god, look how many shots are on Haunt. Oh, that was something. Blast cannon. That looks like we went out with a bang. Oh, glass cannon would be freaking perfect. Douche. Look at that. Oh, too bad the run's over. Then that was a fun run. Amorakia kind of carried us there. Boom, and we out of here.